Connecting a Dell docking station to an HP laptop is usually possible because many modern docks use universal connection standards like USB-C or Thunderbolt. These connections allow a single cable to deliver power, video output, internet, and peripheral connections at the same time. Many HP laptops released in recent years support these standards, which makes them compatible with docking stations from other brands such as Dell. When the dock is set up correctly, you can connect monitors, keyboards, Ethernet, and other accessories while keeping your workspace clean and organized. To ensure everything works smoothly, it's important to install the right drivers and connect the dock properly before using it with your laptop. Step 1. Make sure your HP laptop has a USB-C or Thunderbolt port for dock compatibility. Step 2. Download and install the latest display link or docking station drivers. Step 3. Turn off your laptop and connect the Dell docking station using the USB-C cable. Step 4. Power on the laptop and allow Windows to detect the new hardware. Step 5. Connect monitors, keyboard, Ethernet, and other devices to the dock. Step 6. Open display and device settings to confirm everything is working correctly.